In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group cards in the Gamma app. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, organizing your work in Gamma can significantly enhance your productivity. With the grouping feature, you can streamline your workflow by nesting related cards together, making it easier to manage and access your information efficiently. First, let's navigate to the Gamma app. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard displaying all the projects you're working on. From here, click on the project you want to work on. This will open up a more detailed view of your selected project, showing all the related cards and tasks within that space. Next, you'll want to click on the space where you want to create a grouped card. Spaces act as containers for your cards, so it's essential to select the right one for your needs. Once you're in the desired space, it's time to start creating your grouped card. To do this, simply type in the command /nested card. This command will prompt the app to create a card specifically designed to nest other cards within it. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature that can help you keep related tasks and information together. After typing the command, you'll see an option titled Nested Card appear on your screen. Click on this Nested Card option. This action will create a nested card within the space you have selected, serving as the parent card for any related cards you want to organize together. Once inside the nested card, you can add more cards, tasks, or notes as needed, effectively grouping them under this parent card. Additionally, there's another way to group your cards if you prefer a more visual approach. You can do this by clicking on the three dots, also known as the ellipsis or options menu, located on any card. By doing this, you can access more options for card management. Once you've clicked the three dots, simply drag and drop the card you wish to group into another card. This will automatically nest your selected card under the target card, creating an organized group. Grouping cards in this manner allows for a more intuitive flow of information and makes your project charts cleaner and more manageable. You can use this feature to categorize different aspects of your projects, whether they're tasks within a task, related notes, or logically connected pieces of information. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to group cards in the Gamma app. By organizing your workspace with grouped cards, you'll find managing projects and retrieving information much more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your favorite apps.